Great. So, any question, anything, any reflection? Deepa, Vinal, Rashi, from previous educational technology wise. नहीं तो फिर like last week hijack हो गया था, you know, मीनू. There was no educational technology discussed.
इसीलिए मैंने सोचा इस वीक ज्वाइन.
अच्छा, अभी ये छड़ी घुमाओगे क्या? है एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी.
नहीं आप समझे नहीं डिस्कस हो रहा है इसीलिए.
अच्छा, एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं हो रहा तभी ज्वाइन किया. अच्छा. So tomorrow we will have an inquiring session after a long gap, I think. बहुत दिन के बाद. So 11 o'clock जो भी available.
कल अवेलेबल हो क्या विनर जी?
विनर रहेगी शायद.
Going on a trek early morning. Let's see if I can make it back.
Rashi, are you there?
अबे कहाँ है विनर?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
घर पे.
अच्छा, मीनू विनल के घर गए नहीं हो ना? This wall is known to me. I used to stay in the same room.
Deepa, you are in Mangalore.
बहुत लो है आपका वॉइस, बहुत लो.
Is it better now?
Yes.
I just came back yesterday. I had gone to 4 days to Mangalore to my grandparents' place with my mom and Rashid.
Right. So, guys, today we thought of exploring Streamyard. So, Streamyard basically is a platform to live stream on different social media platforms. So, it's a platform to live stream in different social media platforms. Like, unlike Zoom itself is a platform. So understand the difference. Zoom itself is a platform. On Zoom, one can connect and converse 100 people all together. But on Streamyard, there is no such provision. On Streamyard, the free version. So what we are talking about in this module, all the free version, not the premium version we are exploring. Even Zoom also, we explored the free version. Unless it is very much needed, you can go with the free version as well. Like for example, Zoom, the free version is good enough because what we have observed is that in the free version, you can have a 40-minute session. So you end up having a 35 minutes of recording, suppose. And 35 minutes of recording is huge, actually. For the attention span, hours of recording is of no use. So we have that split of half an hour recording, so which doesn't affect us to offer anything less or something like that. So we are continuing with the free version. Similarly, Streamyard gives the free version. Okay, let me share my screen and show you the. So this is Streamyard. Now, a few points like Streamyard is not a platform for live connecting. StreamYard, through StreamYard, few bunch of people can connect, like for the free version, up to 6 people. And for the paid version, up to 10 people, not more than 10. And those are all are supposed to be presenters, presenter or group discussion. And other people can join through other live media, like live social media, but they cannot come on video. They can just chat. Audio video connection cannot be possible. So, for example, using StreamYard, you can live cast your session, your panel discussion on Facebook, on YouTube. So people can join there and they can chat
Sir?
with you, live chat. Yes, ma'am.
Are you presenting something? मेरे end पे दिख नहीं रहा है.
बाकियों के end पे दिख रहा है?
Blank screen आ रहा है. कुछ और
ये
है क्या
फिर
screen
आपका-
पे?
दिख रहा है
Yeah, I can see the slides.
स्लाइड तो नहीं है ये. This is a browser, Chrome browser है.
Okay.
So this is not a slide, the browser. I'm sharing my screen and I'm sharing the browser.
पता नहीं वो पार्ट है ना, मैं ऐसे स्लाइड कर रही हूँ अपनी फिंगर फोन पे तो वो आ रहा है easiest way to create professional drives.
हाँ,
बस
वही है।
आपका
वही है,
फेस भी दिख रहा है.
वही है.
बट लिसन, मैं जैसे ही वो स्क्रीन पे हाथ छोड़ रही हूँ ना, वो ब्लैंक हो रहा है स्क्रीन. पता नहीं क्या होगा.
फिर एक बार निकल कर फिर ज्वाइन करो.
हाँ, ऐसे कर लेते. ठीक है.
Okay. So coming back to our discussion, like StreamYard number
ठीक हो
one.
गया.
हो गया ठीक?
पता नहीं.
So StreamYard is not a platform where you join for conduction of classes and such things. Like it is basically streaming your session on the social media. Number two, StreamYard is not an app-based application. This is a unique thing for StreamYard. So Zoom, Facebook, YouTube, all these are app-based application. Like on web browser, the application is limited application. But if you want to use those with its full potential, then you have to download the application from the Play Store or App Store. But StreamYard doesn't need that downloading of an app. This is completely web-based application. What it means, like anyone who is joining on StreamYard need not to install any app. They can directly from web browser, they can join the session. Right? So it actually gives a lot of flexibility. Like you are not dependent on downloading, because people do have a lot of apprehension in downloading and installing app these days because of a lot of mischievous things. Now on the web itself, this works. So let's see some demo now. Yes, another thing is while logging in, you will not have an ID password on StreamYard. Every time you log in, you will get an OTP in your email. That OTP needs to be used for logging into StreamYard. Right? So let me start with get started. So getting started and login quite similar. You'll just get a login code. You have to put your email ID and so see, I've just changed it to login. This is a signing up. So guys, do you know the difference between sign up and login? Deepa, what is sign up? What is login?
Sign up is like you're creating an account, and login is like you're logging into that account.
Revisiting.
Revisiting.
Yes. So that the creation of the account is named as sign up. So here you see for creating your account also the same interface, get login code, and for logging in also. So there is no difference between the sign up and the login basically. Just that if you have if you have signed up already, then the internal interface will be changed. The interface means the whatsoever you have saved, that will be there in the interface after logging. So let me log in. So I have to check the email.
And what is the website address?
Streamyard.com. Streamyard.com.
Oh.
You see, streamyard.com. Now, see, StreamYard login code has come 478120. So 478120. Right now, so I've logged in. Yes, another thing I must share before I go into describing the features. Free version of StreamYard allows you to stream 20 hours of sessions per month. 20 hours of sessions per month can be streamed for free StreamYard version. And you'll not get the recording on StreamYard, but if you are streaming it on Facebook or YouTube, by default the recording can be downloaded. So for the free version, there is no issue of getting the recording also, just in case you want the recording. But on StreamYard, for the free version, you will not get the recordings. Got it? So now you see
So
the
then
left.
beyond
Yes.
beyond 20 recordings, then
Yes.
if you do it on Facebook or YouTube, you go there and then you download it from there. Like
You'll
that.
not be able to do beyond 20 hours of sessions in a free
Oh,
version.
okay.
You'll not be able to. StreamYard will
Okay,
not
okay.
allow it. But there is a catch. You can always create a number of email IDs. So, and 20 hours is huge for a social media exposure, because these are basically done by the professional for advertisements. Like it becomes your advertorial to showcase your expertise or something like that. So that way 20 hours is good enough. So yes, so far so good. Binal, Rashi.
Yeah, all good.
So if we look at the left navigation, then we see broadcast, videos, destinations, members. Right now, the broadcast are the sessions. Under the broadcast, now see the broadcast is selected. So in front of you, you see the broadcast interface. So in the broadcast, you can create a broadcast, and there are the past broadcast which had been done. You see the book launch, the homeostasis journeys, all these sessions have been done. So ended it is written. So it was streamed on YouTube, it was streamed on Facebook, So in the free version, you can stream to a single social media platform, but in paid version, you can stream it to the multiple. So once we went for the paid version also, I think in 2019, right, Meenu? Or 2020. So during the lockdown, I think, during the lockdown, we did a session called ABC of PNC, which we used to stream in the multiple, you see the multiple Facebook and YouTube, both logos are there. So these are the, even the homeostasis journeys were also streamed to multiple social media platforms. So the cost actually that time it was $25 per month, if I'm not wrong. Oh, now it is still 25 actually. It's if you're going for the annual, then it is $20. Otherwise, for a monthly basis, if you're going, then it is 25. Yes, monthly is $25. Right. So now before creating,
So in a month, I can do one perhaps session of even 20 hours, even
yes,
so
yes,
max.
yes. There is no
So there's no
duration
time limit.
Time limit
per
is not.
session.
This is an edge actually. For Zoom, there is a time limit, but this edge is also depending. Like I was talking about the attention span. So smaller sessions are better, relaxing way of discussion. Anyway, so I was talking about creation of a broadcast. To create a broadcast, you have to have destinations first, because without destination, StreamYard doesn't mean anything. So I repeat that StreamYard is not a platform to get connected. So StreamYard will not allow you.
But we can connect, right? On
You can,
StreamYard also.
yeah, so we can connect up to 6 people, but while creating a broadcast, unless you have a destination, you cannot create a broadcast, because the structure of StreamYard proposes that you must have a connection to your social media platform to stream your session. So that's what is the StreamYard, right? So for that, actually, this destination, the third one, destination. The video is a new tab they have added, wherein you can actually have the old recordings available that can be played also within the StreamYard. So that we'll discuss later on, but let's talk about the destination. Right. So now here we have added a few destination already, but otherwise you can add always destination. Suppose you are a new member, so you'll not have any destination here. So then you have to click.
Is it possible to stream on Instagram?
No, right now there. So I think they have a route by customizing the link. There is a possibility, but direct linking of Insta is not there. So where all you can directly go are Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook group, Facebook profile, Facebook page, 3 options, and LinkedIn page and profile. So all these 4 platforms, and this Twitch, I don't know. I don't have any idea about this Twitch and the Hopin. Anybody knows anything about Twitch? And
yeah,
Hopin?
Twitch is like a gaming streaming platform. Like I've seen Prasheen use it. So
Okay.
people who play games, they stream themselves and they live cast it.
Okay. Okay. It's an online game.
Online game.
And Hopin could be another platform. I don't have any idea about these 2. So you can connect your Facebook page by clicking this. So connect to Facebook. And then since I'm already connected, so it will take me to my pages. So these pages are already connected. Now I may choose to connect other pages as well. So Sai Solution page, Sai Solution Bengali page, and homeostasis page. These 3 pages are already connected, as you see. Now, if suppose I am connecting the other page, so that also will be added to this. See, montage of my life is now added. So all these pages are there. So here actually we have created a trial size solution course. It's a private group, Facebook group, that is also connected. So we'll create a broadcast, dummy broadcast on this trial group, right? So we'll do that. Now, this member thing is that you can actually add members to your StreamYard profile. So, and you can allocate the roles of co-hosting, admin role to the members. So right now there are no members.
What is the difference between co-host and admin?
Admin can do whatever you can do. If you are making someone admin, then all the deleting, connecting the destinations and all those rules. And co-host will have the capability to share the screen and all those features.
Okay.
Right. So, yeah, I think that's it. It's very simple, pretty simple. Any question or any doubt so far?
So all the participants would have to be added as members?
No, not needed. That's the beauty here. So let's go and create a broadcast. So you can use a pre-recorded video, you see. So pre-recorded video can be used for a broadcast. This is actually bluffing the people. Like people will consider that you are live, but you are actually using a pre-recorded video. So those are the marketing gimmick and tricks. And now new broadcast is something which you can create. So now destination is mandatory to go further. You know, okay, they have introduced skip for now. Oh, that's good. So skip for now is also introduced now, it seems. So that means you can go for it. Just for RFP. Now you can error, but it's not your fault. So soothing, huh? It's not your fault, it's our fault. Yes. So now I think the camera, it is not picking up because the camera is being used for Zoom. Trying to open the other. Yes, your browser cannot access your devices. Close any other application that might be using the camera. You see? So anyway, display
So
name.
sir, let's meet on
We'll do that.
Streamyard.
We'll do that, but I want to. Okay, this is alert has come. Zoom. So yeah, so display name one needs to give here. And you see the link that you get, this link can be used to join, and you can share this link with the participants. Now under the settings also, you'll get the link. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the interface of StreamYard after you start the session, but it is not yet live on a destination. So let me add a destination as well. Then we'll go connecting. So I am adding it to the trial. Yeah. Trial session. Description you can add. Description means about the session. You can add some description.
And it can be scheduled for later. That's
It
also.
can be scheduled for later as well. Now, as you see below, there is an invite option. In that, you will get the link, the same link which is available at the address bar. You see, right? So that can be copied and shared. Now, before we connect on StreamYard, I'd like to share some of the options. Do you see the thumbnails, small thumbnails here below the screen, below the black portion,
Yes,
the video? Okay, let me use the other video. Might work. Still not working. Yes. So it's the other camera that I have used. Right. Now, I was talking about these thumbnails. These thumbnails. So Minu, I'm just sharing the on the WhatsApp. I'm sharing the link.
Mhm.
Can you just join yourself only?
Yeah. So I'll leave this group now.
Yes. So that others can see the difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, quickly, because this session is going to end in few minutes, 6 minutes. Then we'll all join there on StreamYard. So meanwhile, let me share that the screen sharing is available. Yeah, Minu has joined. I'm just adding Minu here on StreamYard. Right. So there are actually the formats of video can be changed. You see, this format is currently, both are kind of vertical spaces are divided. Now this is an horizontal spaces divided, which is quite similar to the Zoom format. Zoom one-on-one sessions also looks like the same. There could be a highlighted speaker. You see the speaker can be highlighted. Bigger video, bigger portion will be occupied by the speaker. Now this can be exchanged also. I can make Minu as a highlighted speaker, and the other people can be. So if multiple people are there, then those can be enlisted here. And then there can be some, let me share some dummy PPT as well. Just a second. So this is a slide that had been the PowerPoint that has been added. So you see the primary place is occupied by the slide. Now that can be done like this. The video is bigger. Now the PowerPoint is smaller. That can be inscribed also like this. So the smaller videos and then only PowerPoint also can be possible. The background voice will come, but the video will not come. So these all formats are available. So let's join on StreamYard for some time, then we'll go live also. See, going live option, as you see left, right top corner, going live. So it will take the session live to the place or the destination where you have decided earlier. Right? So can you guys join? Yeah. Yeah, Minu. Okay. Okay. So Minu will leave the session, and others can join the Streamyard. I'm waiting there. Ending the Zoom session. Let's meet up there. Use this link which has been shared in the WhatsApp group.